I am making some cake mix cookies. These ones are birthday cake. I got my Funfetti, cake mix there. Get that open. My eggs. Get this all mixed together. We're gonna put that in the oven and bake it. Just so you know, I looked at my timer and from beginning to putting it into the oven, it was exactly 2 minutes and 30 seconds. It's pretty darn tootin' quick if I do say so myself. All right, here are my cookies that are finished. Oh, yum. Oh, that looks delicious.